Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about Oriental lilies. They're so fabulous. When you buy them closed like this. That way you know they're not going to get damaged as you transport them from point A to point B. Then when you get them home, remove the lower foliage, give them a cut, set them in water and let them drink. You'll be surprised, quickly they'll crack, they'll start to open. If you need to rush it, you can give it a little bit of a massage, but an important tip, Oriental lilies are actually fairly slow to open, so if you need them for an event, bring them in several days ahead of time, because you may need 3, 4, even 5 days for them to open. Then once they do open, the pollen stains terribly. So you want to go in and remove all the pollen nodules. I know they're pretty, and you hate to see them gone, but they're dreadful. They stain the flower and they'll stain anything else they touch. So always, always, always remove the pollen before you deliver. Now you know how the pros do it.